What is that on your arm?
Arnie tricks.
Okay, so what does that do?
Turn you into aliens.
Into aliens?
Yeah.
Okay, can you go do it in front of me so I can see you? Come over here.
You forgot to turn you the volume on.
Well, I'm waiting because you're going to show me how you're going to turn into something.
The dog, skinny cat. Dog, skinny cat. I found. Here is the forearms.
Yeah.
Now take the picture.
Okay.
Take it.
Okay. I'm taking a video. So
Take
just
a video.
show me how you do it. Yeah.
You slam it on your hand.
Okay. Yeah, on your face?
Oh, I can't do it.
Why?
That's because I forgot it. Oh, I forgot it the 2 arms.
Okay.
2 arms.
Okay.
My name, Buddy. I am 4 arms.
Is that it? Are you all done?